There are things you may see other people wearing that maybe you would choose not to, or something that you wear that somebody else may choose not to. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. We're here again with Code. It's always been a pleasure being here, representing them, being a part of their campaign. There's someone who really are out there reinventing cool, reinventing style, making it accessible for millions of people to enjoy. So it feels wonderful to be the face of this campaign. It feels really good to be associated with a brand that's changing fashion and adapting to fashion as it changes the world over. So I feel really, really proud to be part of it.
Thank you. We are proud of having you here as well.
Well, you are looking, man, dapper, sexy, I will say.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
You're looking really cool yourself.
Thank you. So just talking about the fashion, Farhan, talking about the dress sense, which is that dress sense, dress coding, according to which you consider a fashion good fashion or a bad fashion?
Actually, in terms of good fashion and bad fashion, it's difficult to really say, because I think eventually what looks good on a person is what they're happy and comfortable to wear. There are things you may see other people wearing that maybe you would choose not to, or something that you wear that somebody else may choose not to. But the fact is, when there's a certain feeling and an emotion and a happiness that when you're dressed well, or when you're feeling happy about what it is that you're wearing, it evokes. And that's when your clothing looks even better, when you're feeling happy wearing it. So I don't know if there's any such thing. I mean, there of course are fashion faux pas, of not mixing certain things together, certain colors that don't really at often work together. So these things do exist, but more often than not, for any individual, I think if they're happy wearing something and if they're comfortable in whatever they're wearing, that to me is good fashion for that person.
Hi, personally, are you more comfortable in formal wear or casual?
I'm comfortable in both. The thing is, I mean, you can't really wear formal wear and roam around too often. Also the weather in Mumbai doesn't allow it very, very easily. When we do travel to places where the weather is slightly more conducive to being layered and to allow us to be, stylistic in a different kind of way, then I love to do it. But in Mumbai, it's easier. You want to wear clothes that suit the environment that you live in. So today what you did see here as well, the whole day party kind of dress code that they have, that kind of stuff, which is kind of light colors, easy to wear, easier ties, things like that. That is something that always works in the kind of weather that we have, which is pretty much more often than not hot and humid. So it depends on the weather.
Hi, Farhan, here. The lifestyle is use brand. So how much you brand conscious, because already is a lifestyle.
Sorry, you'll have to speak a little bit more clearly. I can't understand.
Lifestyle is use brand, lifestyle.
Yeah.
So how much you brand conscious for your?
How much?
You brand conscious, because lifestyle always a highlight for that.
Can you say it without the mic? I think might be better.
The lifestyle is use brand. So how much you brand conscious?
Sir, आप हिंदी में भी
So how brand conscious am I? Well, I mean, all of us enjoy good things, in life. And when we work hard, towards it. So when I do have an opportunity to associate with a brand like Lifestyle and On Code, it always feels good, because you know that there's a lot of people behind the scenes. I mean, we are just here representing a huge team of people who are working constantly, to reinvent style and to bring it out to people. So we just represent them. So I feel very happy to be doing that for people who work as hard as they do.
Farhan, yeah. Okay, what is your code of fashion?
My code of fashion? I think what I answered on the first question really is something that I do believe. I do believe being who you are is very important in how you dress. The minute I've always noticed this, if you try and fake something, because somebody else has told you it would be cool to do, more often than not, it has to inherently come from inside of you. I do enjoy dressing up when the opportunity does arise. I do enjoy that. So, given the fact that we have a wonderful association here with them, with Code, I look forward to taking this ahead, and I do enjoy it tremendously, dressing up. So, I am pretty fashion conscious on that level. Yeah.
A new kind of trend in fashion these days, which is called rebellion. Particularly like celebrities like Rihanna and Paris Hilton, they just come up to the fashion gatherings in a kind of dresses which few people just call very obscene. So do you think that they are fashionable? They can be called a fashionista according to you?
Well, everything is, and to each their own. I don't think we can sit here in judgment on what somebody should wear or not wear. Everyone has their own idea, their own sensibility, aesthetic of what it is that they feel comfortable, how much skin they're comfortable showing, how much they want to be covered. Everyone has their own take. So I don't think it's fair for us to sit here and judge anyone, for being obscene or not. The question is, would you wear it or would I wear it? When we have that opportunity, we'll decide, whether we want to or we don't. But I can't sit here and pass judgment on whether it's obscene or not.